Hi everybody, it's Saturday and boy do we have a surprise for you today. In the kitchen with Bert and Linda we've got a surprise visitor, so stick around to the end of the video and you'll see who we've got. But remember, he's kind of shy, so if he stays on the video 5 seconds we're going to be lucky. So enjoy the recipe and we'll be right back. Good morning everybody. Well, it's lunchtime and we're thinking about food. So thank you for coming to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. Bert's off doing some errands right now, so you got me. So anyway, today we're going to make a dip. This is Saturday, ball games are going on, golf games. So we need a dip and some chips. And we've got chips here, which they are not low carb, but low carb, remember, do away with the chips. Get you some celery, carrot sticks, anything that's low carb to dip with. Okay, so let's get started. We need, first of all, we're going to use a whole block of cream cheese. It's softened, 8 ounces. Put it in the bowl. There we go. And we're going to put in a cup of sour cream to that. And here's the sour cream, it's the cup. So just put them together and we're going to blend them till they're smooth. So while I am blending, I'm going to put the camera on mute because if I cut the blender on, you won't ever hear me say another word. So hold tight. I'll be right back once we get it blended. Okay, now we've got it all blended together. That's what the cream cheese and the sour cream look like. It's nice and smooth. Now comes the fun part, what we're going to add in it. Okay, we've got 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. It goes in. And give it a little stir. Hope everybody's having a good day today. It is hot here in North Carolina. It's sunny and it's supposed to be about 80, 90 degrees today. About 90, I think. So nice and warm. No rain in sight, although we desperately need some. Okay, that's all mixed in. Now we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of bacon bits. If you don't like bacon bits, don't put them in there. Then we got a 1/4 cup of diced or crushed almonds. If you're allergic to almonds or nuts, don't put them in there. If you think of something else you'd rather have in this dip, some people use garlic powder, onion powder. Some people cut up little bits of onions. We don't like that, therefore we don't put them in. But if you like it, do so. If it's anything that you like in a dip, put it in. And just keep stirring it. And it's just going to all blend in so well. After you do this, then put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let it chill down real good. Let it set up. You can almost make a cheese ball out of it. But that's what it's like. Let me get a picture. Hold tight. We're going to get a picture of it, what it looks like now. Then we'll get a picture of what it's going to look like when we finish up. Okay, here we go. And I always forget which way it goes. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put this bowl in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then I'll bring you back and we'll finish up and taste test it and all that good stuff. So be back shortly.
Small.
Hello everybody, we're back in the kitchen and look who I have. I've got my chocolate pie grandson, Cody.
Hello.
Cody is here to try out the dip. There it is after it's been put in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So Cody, give us a taste test.
All right, I got it right here. How much you want on it?
As much as you want to eat. What do you think? Thumbs up or down?
You gotta chew it.
He's going to chew first. And Bert is here. He's in the kitchen. He's over on the other side of the bar.
That stuff's delicious, Grandma.
You like that?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we're going to pack up some and send it with it home. Okay, before we finish up, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this into a cheese ball. So I have already taken, these are pecans. We've got almonds in the dip, and we're going to coat them in pecans. So let's just spread them out, because we're going to roll the cheese ball in the pecans. Okay. And this is kind of messy, but I don't have any plastic gloves, and so we're going to see how bad we're going to have to do this. And I'm going to take about half the mixture and make one ball out of it. This is so good for parties, Christmas, but just take it and squish it down. Put it a bit closer. Take it and push it down, and then just start coating it with pecans, crushed pecans. And if you feel like you need some onions or some type of spices in it, go ahead. We just don't really like spices, a lot of spices. Now Bert loves nutmeg, but I don't know about putting nutmeg on a cheese ball. But that's all you do. You just coat it in the nuts and then chill it. And that's it. Isn't that pretty? It's perfect for Christmas or any holiday. So I hope you enjoy it. It's been fun to make, and we were so excited to have our grandson Cody. We call him the chocolate pie man because he loves chocolate pies. It's a quick and easy recipe. Do try it out. It is low carb. Just don't use the chips. Use carrots or celery or tomatoes. Anything else, anything that's low carb to dip with. But it is good, and it makes a pretty presentation. So thank you as always for coming to the kitchen, in the kitchen with Bert and Linda. That's it for today. So I hope you have a great day, and remember, God loves you and so do we. So see you next video. Bye. Thanks, Cody.